House Africa.
Stylish, 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 stylish. Yeah, yeah. It be another weekend, the sun is so low, more could get groovy. And maybe you hurting, Charlie forget tongue, more could just jolly. Your time will come, but until then, don't give up, no, no. Get your hustle up with a little prayer, make you bust a move. Yo, it's the funky weekend party hitting you right here. Get your dancing shoes, tell your problems you don't care, and let the groove put you in the mood to bust a move with these rhymes. So just to flip the mood in here. We in our element, right? They see how we they kick it with finesse and no be lie. A bunch of guy made kings till we die. I chewing on these haters while they bless me all the time. In his own game, flawless with such elegance, pretty evident how I represent to the critic them. And I got an eye out for the super fine jam with a super plan to make me a better man. Shit the fire to my soul while you tryna match it. You ain't bought my games and you wanna box me out here. Whatever it is that I did to make you feel the way you do, Charlie, it be life and sometimes it no be fair. That be why this before my G's tryna make it happen. Chillin' with sober low on rocks, now you see the action. Until they did for one side, yeah, but for the corner there, you know you crowd, we get some for the pocket. And we thank God for the blessing you rain every day. See new days to push hard in any given way. In this industry, we here to stay, we no go fade away. Cups in the air, Moku celebrate. Moku celebrate. Yeah.
Well, I'm glad that he's very dangerous.
What are you doing here?
Come
here. What the hell is wrong with you? How many times have I warned you on this campus? You're tired yourself. Why are you disgracing me? Huh? Now quiet away then. See somebody. Now quiet away then. Let me tell you something. You know what? The next time I see you around with this strong boy.
Who said it?
What's the master? What the fuck is wrong with you? You just met someone standing with someone and you just come and pull a person. For day one.
Where did you carry this from?
Man, for Deji. You know what? You know me?
No, leave me alone.
You crazy? Huh? Please, oh.
You right here, get your dancing shoes, tell your problems you don't care, and let the groove put you in the mood to bust a move with these rhymes. So just to flip the mood in here.
This one. The way I verse cry where you can't do here. Actually, me I see you with my kiddy sister. When I approach my sister, where me and the talk, what be pushing me? This guy.
You try. Charlie,
But you
try at all.
But what's your problem? The way I verse where I did this place.
Boss, please, it didn't happen that way. I was there with the girl. I didn't know it was my brother. And besides, the way he confronted the girl, I thought he was going to hurt her, so I had to do something.
See, that's your small sister.
You can say you did English class for you.
Please.
So he hit you.
Please, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to.
See, the speak grammar give me. Me say they have me tired of me, my sister. I talk am. If I take somebody way, I say you big guy.
Still, you know what, you guys, all this nonsense must stop.
What?
Okay?
Yes, Nancy.
Now you. Sir, what is going on here? Your sister cannot come and tell us that. What is going on? Relax. No, I don't understand. No. It's because of Sir. It's not Sir.
Baby, get up. Please, this is my relationship matter. Okay?
It's because of you. Otherwise, this small girl will never come here and talk to me like this.
It be another weekend, the sun is so low, more could get groovy.
But I called you here so that we could talk about serious matters. The girls are taking over. And I don't love it. Must it happen like that? Last time we had one of our own being killed, and we don't even know the people who killed him. Should it happen in that kind of manner? Tell me, should it be so? No! But now, what I'm going to that question is that we are the scorpions, and we need to take action. And I mean now. So guys, I'm not going to take anything. We're going to apply the force. We're going to work things out to the extent that, trust you me, the girls will understand that we are better than them. So now I want you all to understand whatever we are doing, let's keep it to ourselves. I don't like it when even we have a small meeting, the next meeting is out. No, I don't know who is doing that, and I don't give a fuck about it. But what I'm trying to put across is that I'm gonna step my foot down. I took it from our seniors, and as I leave, you people are coming to take it. So I'm not gonna mess up, and I'll not allow any of you here to mess me up. So if you think you have any connection with those girls, let me know, because when we start to strike, you know us, we are the scorpion. We don't joke. Balls!
Those girls are biting more than they can chew.
Exactly.
And I, Sydney 1, will not set for those girls to control.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I took it from my predecessors, and I'm hoping that later on when I complete, you take over. I love your vim.
Position. No problem.
Twice, you hear, but you know, I know your fault.
What I do? You did it.
What I do?
Wait, you know, I don't blame you.
Right?
Hey, Aaron.
Boss, so he knows it.
What do I know, boy?
Sir, don't stand. But when I get out, that means I'm angry. You are my 2IC. You are my second in command. Anything you know, let me know now. Fine. We are not going to joke. Today's not meeting there, but I thought we should meet. Sir, whatever it is, at the end of the day, I want to go. I don't give a fuck about whatever is going on here. But let me know what is going on so that I can take control. Excuse me.
Yeah. It be another weekend.
Charlie, what's up?
But
you know, kind of meeting, Sam.
oh, Charlie, now they do some stuff. Yeah, my party with this and
I said, but Charlie, you are coming. I go to the meeting where they do some, but you know one thing, I don't want to make you finish this job, give me. You see, some picture be day inside. Where your son write some small note to be day inside. Where your son purchase some small amount to be. Oh, so you know one thing, you finish that job.
So you be my man, you know, say I know we take this.
I said, take care. Charlie, this one, I know beside they bribe you.
Ghana, so you be my party now.
I know that, but I don't want to make you feel.
You be my man now. I will take the job to you since.
Oh, so what's up? Shall I let the party go some?
Oh, Charlie, and I did there like 10 minutes.
They don't find them check out. Everywhere you go, there. Go they can.
I don't want to the fire to my soul while you're trying to match it. You ain't bought my games and you wanna box me out here. Whatever it is that I did to make you feel the way you do, Charlie, it be life and sometimes.
I called you people here because I don't understand what is really going on. Because there are a lot of things going on. When we do meeting, the next day is out there. I don't understand. So, in case anyone of you know anything, just let me know, please.
Papa, you know why I say no can
Nah.
because he matters with the won't talk for you. That's why he not can go. So he knows everything that is going on. That's why he not can hear.
No, wait. What are you trying to say?
Still knows some. Still knows any the thing they go on for here. In meetings why you know they you know say they can't talk about it matter. Even the girls in matter.
So, are you trying to tell me that still knows about what is going on?
Exactly.
Where evidence you get? Where evidence where you get say they did some of them so-called best girls. What evidence you get?
It be true. But I know say Charlie.
Oh,
He said
come on for the-
Okay, it's okay. Quiet. Fine, I don't know. I've called him more than 2 times. He didn't pick my call. And I'm surprised that you people are saying this. That still knows something about this.
Exactly.
So, tell me, which particular girl among the best that still is dating?
You see, you don't get fired. You don't get fired when you talk anyhow.
But you confirm that why you not can hear. You know say we go talk about meeting.
Alright.
Aye. Now that you've raised this, I'm going to take time to investigate, get to the root of it. But you people, have you heard anything? Have you people seen anything? Alright, just relax. I'll get to the root of it. But now, just what I want you people to understand. Those so-called girls are our enemies. And henceforth, when we see them, you don't give them eye. Exactly what I'm trying to put across. They are our enemies, and we are the enemies. So now I declare war. Anywhere we get any of them, trust you me, it's bang. But for sale,
You know the way you
relax.
do, Charlie, it be life and sometimes it no be fair. That be why this before my G's tryna make it happen. Chillin' with sober low and rocks, like you see the action. Auntie did it for one side, yeah, but for the corner there, you know.
So why you don't come for the meeting?
Boss, you know my fault. I go some lectures before.
I mean, I not say no get lectures. You talk to say you go for lectures.
Oh, why don't you trust me? Oh, the man way for can't teach us morning, you know, come. So he say make I come the evening time. So you know my fault, boss.
All right. I hear say they did the soccer bells for this campus.
Those girls, those Yawa girls.
Yes.
How me I go feel wrong with them? So don't you trust me anymore, boss?
Really sure?
Don't you trust me anymore?
Because if I get you, I will uproot you. You know what I can do?
Come on. Me, I've been working with you for like 2 years now. Don't you trust me?
I be like you. Those days I used to know you. Anywhere I pass you, day.
dare,
But
but
now
still-
you just dodge me for this campus self.
I still dare your body talk.
You are making me not to trust you. Trust you. And one of the guys told me that you are dating one of them.
Those guys, you know, for Sunday, more time they don't create confusion between me and you. So trust me this time around.
You know that we've been friends for a long time, right? And I got your back, you get my back. But those girls, they are enemies, and I don't want you to mess up with them. Anywhere we meet them, they are our enemies. Charlie, and we are at war with them. So please, don't mess up. Don't mess up. It's as simple as that. All right, that's all for now. But tell me, last time, Lucy, if I Charlie, the last time Lucy killed me for the room inside. Hey,
she bad, why you give me back pass?
no. I have to chop him like 3-4 times before I carry gift.
Me the fourth one, I go fit to give me.
Yeah, it's yours, right? Yeah, it's yours.
Get your hustle up with a little prayer, make you bust a move. Yo, it's the funky weekend for the hitting. We in the element, right? We see how we the kick it with a bunch of guy made things till we die. I chewing on these haters, but they bless me all the time. In his own game, flawless with such elegance, pretty evident. How I represent to the critics. And I got a super fine jam with a super plan to make me a better man. Send the fire to my soul while you trying to make.
Stand for the federal free.
Sometimes it's a bit fair. That be why this is trying to make it.
You think you are ready to go? You have to be serious. Okay? Yes, sir. You guys have to be serious. You are in this school to learn. Hey! I'm talking to you. What phone is that? Alright, I think I'm done.
Yeah. It be another weekend, the sun is so low, if we get even. Maybe you hurting, Charlie forget Moko just jolly. Your time will come, but until then, don't give up, no. Get your hustle up with a little prayer, make you bust a move. Yo, it's the funky weekend party hitting you right here. Get your dancing shoes, tell your problems you don't care. And let the groove put you in the mood to bust a move with these rhymes. So just to flip the mood in here.
The people matter the time. Forget it. Me if I write paper finish, I don't want to my headache. The thing I know she got a trouble. Baby, the thing I want to
I say every day they meet or you like talk so you matter that why? Why?
Talk. Don't say me that sorry. You don't say you date two of the bets.
You sure? You get evidence. Get evidence.
You want to say two of the best.
Yeah.
Wait, so you sick of that same way the girls they attack the boys.
Exactly.
But fine. Even so safe. Why if you go meeting now? You know they express their thing for them. So say we all go say this is where they used to come. So you see we are talking about that.
But you know, say me and so. But like something today, I hit on them, so say challenge.
Yes, you hit on now. But if you let you to know, say this be the matters on the ground.
shoes, tell her problems you don't care. And let the groove put you in the mood to bust a move with these rhymes. So just to flip the mood.
Spazio.
Yo, boy.
Tell you, you go rap the evening gospel show.
Who?
You of course.
Me?
Yes.
My boy, pa. Now, Charlie, no.
Why? What's up?
How want to the Kosovo campus on?
Then of course.
One day, please. You must be a Kosovo campus until one day. Oh, since last week, and then you put 2 campus. I want to say.
We didn't see last week. So now for gospel show.
Now who knows the next?
I 2 person better so me answer.
I mean where?
My guy, let me ask you now. Sanya man cry if you find
what bizarre sen. Some of my sentiments you bizarre sen. Why? Some my no man nam ha. Best ne spider say or the same
scorpion.
My guy.
Best. Na best in my way or more than ever no bit next things is
Emma.
Na masu kukum nipasa.
Livan, what's it man? Now all last week cry upon lectures I made by me see me babeda na dutu. Ya boy Labes Junction walk here sutura de jai. Na me boy ma kram hu ya kram lika.
Mani de ki choma sembo boy na onim de me ya. Scorpion. Madam fu bi o kan kwa me wo me no na fin suatre ya wo ma me tonko ko de show nya busua. Na wo ba ya do ho be bo terror risk afo ma sa net ma wo do ho be bo mo.
You are me do mo kra me ntiase o.
Then how I represent to the critic them. And I got an eye out for the super fine jam with a super plan to make me a better man. Shit the fire to my soul while you trying to match it. You ain't bought my games and you wanna box me out here. Whatever it is that I did to make you feel the way you do, Charlie. Fade away, cups in the air, Moku celebrate.
Why do you step on me? Are you mad?
Pa, I didn't step on you, you rather step on me.
Are you mad? In fact, you're totally fool.
I can see you want to put me in trouble. Okay, I'm very sorry if I step on you.
So you're calling me a troublemaker? You bastard.
You called me a bastard?
Hey! Next time, don't dare try me, okay?
What are you doing? What happened? What did he do to you?
You know, this guy stepped on me. I wanted to slap me again.
You don't know she's a babe?
No.
No, so must you beat her or slap her? Hey! You come for it. Come for it. Do you know us? You know she's a babe. Girls, take her to my left.
Oh, please.
Let's go!
Please. I don't know.
Go!
Yo, bring him back. When I say come fast. You know something? Today I'm in a good mood, so I won't ask much. Just bring us 4 cartons of beer.
What?
Hey, saying something.
She considered you.
What did I say now?
You said I should bring 4 cartons of beer.
Louder.
4 cartons of beer.
Go.
God for the blessing, He reign every day. See new days to push hard in any given way. In this industry, we here to stay. We no go fade away. Cups in the air, Moku celebrate. Moku celebrate. It's been a long time coming. Yeah, let's have fun. Where, why, one love, BMG. Better whether they like it or not, challenges they wanna season. That be why we dey pop off for no reason. It's been a long time coming.